Hello, in this lecture we'll look at some of the features of the IBM DataWorks service that's available in IBM's Bluemix. After you complete this unit, you should understand the key characteristics of the IBM DataWorks service in Bluemix and how the IBM DataWorks service improves your ability to collect and analyze data. So what is IBM DataWorks? We like to call it IBM's data refinery. It's a set of cloud-based tools that make it really easy for anyone within an enterprise to quickly identify and access data that they need across the enterprise. After finding that data, with DataWorks, they're able to ingest it and then transform the data into any format that they need in order to accomplish their tasks. This includes filtering, cleansing, deleting duplicates, and a host of other data refinement capabilities. When a user is finished refining the data, they're able to export it out to a location of their choice. So why DataWorks? Let's look at a specific scenario. How does Carol, a business analyst, go about analyzing data? Typically, she must ask IT for the data and then wait for it. And then she'll end up with raw data of undetermined quality. If the data is wrong or the data sets are incomplete, she'll have to interact with IT again and go back and forth in order to get that resolved. Then she needs to cull through and join the data. She needs to prepare the data and export it to the database or into the format that's compatible with the tools that she uses in order to analyze the data. With DataWorks, it's a lot easier. Carol is empowered to quickly find all the data herself. The tool will profile the data and classify the data for her, and we'll show you in a subsequent slide an example of that. The tool will analyze the data, giving a quality score, giving a value distribution, so that Carol can quickly visualize and understand the data. And then it gives her the tools to easily shape, improve, join, standardize, filter the data, and so on. Finally, she can apply those changes and deliver that data to a destination of her choice. DataWorks supports a variety of sources and targets, and this list is being updated all the time. At the time this lecture was created, these are the sources and targets that are officially supported. So here's a screenshot of DataWorks in action. As you can see, once you bring in the data, it gives you an indication of the classification of the data, and it also gives you an indication of the quality score. So you'll be able to see missing values and suspect values. For example, in categorical data, there may be a value that's spelled in a variety of ways, but it's really the same value. Once you have the data, you can then start improving its quality. You can filter it, you can remove duplicates, you can remove unnecessary columns, you can visualize clusters of data to see how the data is partitioned between different categories. And when you're done, you can review your actions, you can see every single operation that you've done on the data. If you're happy with your changes, you can apply them and export the data to a destination of your choice. So in summary, IBM DataWorks is a service that allows you to identify relevant data, transform that data to suit your needs, and finally to load it into a system for use in additional tools and applications.